I'm working on a video right now, and the person it's about has more subscribers than me. So I know most of you guys know the rules, but I just want to refresh all your memories. Before that, I have to say, this guy may be the new king of the D-bags. When I saw his video, it made me sick. This guy is shameless, and he is out for your money. Now let's go over the rules. When a person or a dog, such as myself, criticizes someone with more subscribers, that means that they are obviously jealous. I'm so jealous! And my face went sideways. Yay! Yes, oh, my teeth are all messed up. God, I gotta go to a dentist. My teeth are like falling down. They're like, yeah. Yes. If you make a video criticizing someone with more subscribers than you, you are jealous. Remember that. And you wish you had as many subscribers as the person you are criticizing. Just remember that, okay? So guys, get ready for the hate. I expect my comments section to be filled with, "You're just jealous! You just wish you had as many subscribers as him! You're just a hater! Why don't you show your face? Look at this! Look! Look! I can't do it! I gotta hold this stupid... Come on, here we go. Look at my beautiful face! Look at my snout! It's 8 inches long! Yeah, I'm showing my face. Get some fucking glasses! So get ready for it, guys. I'm just jealous. Oh, please. I have to go to work in about an hour and a half, and I have a whole lot of shit to do before then. So if the video isn't uploaded within 2 hours after this one here is uploaded, that means it will be out tomorrow. Thanks for the love, guys, and get ready for the hate.